2 years ago, Jamie Paul was enjoying life, working, and spending time with her family. But a diagnosis of advanced colorectal cancer changed everything, and Jamie was faced with questions about her future.
When I initially found out that I had colorectal cancer that had spread to my liver, I was really scared.
Now, there's a new treatment option called Vectibix for people who are fighting advanced colorectal cancer that has progressed after taking all possible types of chemotherapy.
Panitumumab is an agent that has been shown in third-line therapy to improve the length of time between starting the drug and the progression of the cancer compared to not giving any therapy.
The new treatment is designed to selectively target the epidermal growth factor receptor, which is known to be involved in the development and progression of several cancers. Vectibix binds to this receptor, interfering with the signal that would normally stimulate the growth and survival of cancer cells.
My daughter Kelly means everything to me. She's 13 years old, she's beautiful, she's extremely intelligent. She is the main reason that I want to stay alive.
Vectibix is the first entirely human antibody to treat advanced colorectal cancer that has progressed despite all available chemotherapy. The goal of developing targeted therapies with human proteins is to offer effective treatment with the low risk of a severe allergic reaction.
New treatment options are very important for patients with advanced colorectal cancer. We believe that Vectibix will offer an important and much needed addition in oncologists' arsenal in the fight against colorectal cancer.
Recognizing that cancer takes not only an emotional but a financial toll, Amgen, the developer of the new drug, is introducing a program that will provide assistance in obtaining financial support for patients with metastatic colorectal cancer taking Vectibix. This program includes a cap on out-of-pocket patient copays for the treatment depending on income. I'm Erin McLean.